Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to install PyCharm IDE, and after that we are going to write one simple program. This is the link where we can download PyCharm, which is a Python IDE. Here we can see two editions. One is professional version, which is a paid one, and another one is community edition, which is free. So we are going with community edition. File size is 371 MB. Yes, download is completed. So it will be available under downloads. You can double click on this exe. Next, proceed with default install location. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can enable it. Yes, I'm enabling desktop shortcut. And path variable also better you can enable. Create association.pys. This also you need to enable. Once installation is completed, then by default this radio button is enabled. I want to manually reboot later. I'm proceeding with this. Let's launch PyCharm. Accept terms and condition. The community version we are using is 2021.2. I'm going to create a new project. I'm leaving all the locations with default value. Here it is showing a tip window. If you want to know the tips, you can click on next tip, but at present I'm going to close this window. Here already project is created, Python project. Now I'm going to create one Python file. Name we can give sample program. Okay, let it be sample. First let's check Python is working or not. Hello world. Right click, click on run sample button. In the bottom, if you see in the console, it is printing hello world. So that's it, IDE setup is done. Let's write a program now. First I'm defining function. Function name, it is a custom name, you can give whatever you like. I'm giving func as function name, colon. This is a syntax. Whenever you are defining function, you have to follow this syntax. Next I'm going to create one variable, user input, where I'm going to store the value which was captured from the input. So I'm calling input function. Please enter number. Let me show you what will happen by executing this. Let me add message also. Print. I'm calling f strings now. F string. user input. Here I created a variable, then I'm capturing a value from input function, then I'm printing a value. Here print function I'm using with the fstring method. With fstring here I'm calling this variable, so it will print whatever content was entered by the user. Let me run and show you the output. The mistake is whenever we are defining function, we have to call function again to execute. Here you can able to see the message, please enter number. So but I am typing John. John is entered by the user. So the message whatever we have given is entered by the user. Here we are capturing the variable. The moment when user entered, it will be captured in user input. So that is what we are passing over here in this place. Next we are going to validate the input which is entered by the user. So I'm using while condition, while not user input is digit, then we are printing. I'm using fstring method, user input is not a digit. Asking user again to enter only number. This loop will continue until when user is entering numeric character. Once condition is satisfied, then it will come out of the loop. Here again I'm printing the content whatever user is typed. Again here I am using fstring method. So method is a digit. Let me run this program now. Please enter number. For example, I am typing hello. So it is printing messages hello is entered by the user. Hello is not a digit. Please enter only number. Again I am typing same thing we will get repeated. The moment when I enter number, 10 is a digit. So it exited the loop. Next we are going to check the entered number is odd number or prime number. So I am going to use if condition. If user input percentage 2 double equal to or not equal to 0, then I'm using print function with fstring method. Fstring user input is a odd number, else again we are printing with fstring method. Inside the curly brace I'm calling the variable input value is a prime number. Let's run the program now. I'm typing first string, so it is asking me to enter only number. So I'm typing the number now, 100. We are getting error in this place. I will tell you why we are getting this error, because the input whatever entered by the user captured by default as a string. I will show you by printing that input value from in this location. Print type of user input. Let me run the program now. Please enter number. I'm entering the number only 100. Here you can able to see it is printing. Type of user input is string. So when we are checking order prime number, we have to convert string to integer. So I'm adding here integer within bracket user input. So now this user input, it will be converted into integer. Afterwards it will be divided by 2, then it will go for conditions. Let me rerun the program. So typing first hello. Here it is showing class type is string. Next please enter only number because we are doing validation that input whatever is entered by the user, it contains a digit. When it contains digit, then only it will come to this place, otherwise it will keep continue until when user is entering only the digit. For example, let me type again string. It is not a digit, so please enter only number. So let me type number 200. The moment when I enter 200, it is printing 200 is a digit, 200 is a prime number. Let me run the program to get output of odd number. Run sample 199. 199 is a digit, 199 is a odd number. Let me tell you here what are the things we have used in this simple program. Function, we have defined function and we are executing the function by calling the function. Next we have used input function to capture the input value. Next we have used print function with fstring method, and within curly brace we are calling variable. Next we have used to identify the type of user input. Next we have used while condition, and here again we are capturing the user input. Next once condition is satisfied, okay, then it will come to here, then we are printing again user input and is a digit or not. Next we are using if condition. Here we are converting string to integer. Afterwards we are checking whether it is odd or prime number. If it is equal to 0, then it will be a prime number. If it is not equal to 0, then it will be odd number. Whenever you are defining function, then during execution you need to call function, then only it will be get executed, otherwise it won't execute. For example, I am removing this function. Let me run this program now. It will not run anything, it will be empty. So you need to call the function. So I'm running the program now. Now it will execute. Who all are already watched the previous session of videos, for them it will be very easy to understand. Who all are not watched videos, please go back and watch the videos which is available in Python tutorial playlist. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please feel free to post your comments in comment section. Keep watching. Thank you.